Here we have a basement window that's sitting basically right on the grade. Every time it snows and it melts or you get a heavy rain, we actually get water coming into the basement through the seam between the foundation and the window frame. So we're going to fix that. The first thing we do here is we take our window well, that's galvanized steel, and we just position it where we want its location. That way we can use that as a marker for where we're going to be digging. Now we take our shovel and just mark the outside of the window well. We just use our foot there to press it in a little bit to make a line. We go all around the perimeter of the window well. Now we remove the window well, and you can see there that we've got a nice outline of where we want to be digging. So you can use a pickaxe or a bar like I've used here, and you just break off the surface layer. Just ram that rod into the ground. Then you grab your shovel and scoop out the stuff you've broken off at the surface. And you do this a few times, progressively getting deeper. And here's the finished hole. And what we've also done is slope the bottom of the hole so that the water can drain away from the house rather than towards it. And then once the hole's finished, then you put the window well retainer into place. And you can see around the edges you're probably going to have a gap between the grade and the window well retainer. So what we're going to do is just fill that hole. Just use some of the earth that you dug out. And you can dump your rocks in. Use this just so that when it rains you don't get the mud splattering onto your window. And there's the finished project. Gravel's smoothed out. The grass will eventually grow up to the window well retainer. Thanks for watching. I'll check you next time.